Hi, it's Faye from Faye's Journal Emporium. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to be doing an unboxing. I've never done this before, so this is kind of new for me. This is from Your Creative Studio, and they contacted me and asked me if I would be willing to do an unboxing. So let me just share with you what they've sent. This is the little card that comes with it. And it is, like I said, Your Creative Studio. It says on the lid that this is the January box. And this is really interesting paper. Let's see if I can get this open. My hands are not working very well. Oh, how cool. Look at these beautiful little scissors. If you can see these, I not get my lighting's not great today. Without the, let me take that out so you're not getting the glare. These are so pretty. Got little flowers on them. You see the flowers? They're really great. So pretty. I'll be using those for clipping little threads and everything else. I'm going to put the box this way and then just take the things out. There's a beautiful little doily, which should be amazing to use. Kind of a cream color. Very pretty. I think you can see the contrast. It's very stretchy. It'd be beautiful addition to a journal. And there's a little card in this bag that's cute. Little birds on it. Could probably use this as a journaling card. So there's that. And the little scissors. If you can see those. There's a little, oh, this is cute. Like a little memo pad. I'm going to grab some other scissors. See if I can get this open. My hands aren't working real well. I've discovered that I have arthritis in my wrists, and that's really creating an issue for me. I may not be able to get this open. Here we go. Those are cute. Let's see if I can. Yeah, these are really cute. So you've got a to-do list and then a checklist also. So there's different papers. These are days of the week that could add to a journal and a list. So this is quite handy to add little papers into a journal. And then this is a stamp, a cling stamp. Beautiful sewing machine. Am I getting the glare? I don't know if you can see that or not. It's probably just getting the glare from it. And then there's some other little stamps. There's a little spool of thread and a tape measure and a little bobbin. And again, I don't know if the light's showing those up very well or not. And then this is some washi tape. It's a little lavender floral. Let's see if I can find where it starts. There we go. It's very pretty. Whoops. As I said, my hands are not working very well. That's beautiful. And a little tiny sewing machine charm. It's super cute. If I can get that out. Whoops. That would be a beautiful little addition to a journal page. A little dangle. And then we have another washi tape. Oh, this is lavender too. This is super pretty. There's a sewing machine on there and some thread. If I can start that too. I think it's starting out. Maybe here. Yeah, here we go. You can see that's really pretty. And the lavender in this matches the lavender on the little floral one too, so they're really cute together. And then there's a sheet of stickers. This would be perfect. Perfect, perfect. And then there's this looks like, these measure, let me see. Yeah, they're about 6 by 6. Some pages. It's really pretty. There's one with a sewing machine on it. Some florals. These are pretty thick, almost like cardstock, with a dressmaker form. And the bobbin and the thread and the scissors on this one. So there's 5 different ones, I believe. And then these look like they match. I'll put these up too. So this one is, I think these papers go with these. They do. These are a little smaller. These measure 4 by 3. So these are 3 by 4 cards. With some, there's 2 of each. These are pretty. With the scissors. And then 2 blank ones that you could add stickers to. And then, let's see, there's the third size, measures 5 1/4 by 4. And these are journaling, I would say journaling cards. They're blank on the back. There's 3 of each design. It's really pretty. Has that same lavender feel that the washi tape has. Same color. And that vintage sewing machine in the corner. And there's 3 of those. There we go. So there's 3 different sizes of the cards in the paper. It's beautiful. And then the last thing is a grouping of stamp stickers, it says. You can open that. Take these out. This one is French. Looks like some French items. This one is parcel post, and I'm trying not to get glare on that. Yeah, and they're little clear stickers, so you could use them to add to a page in a journal. These look like they're French also. These are travel stickers. There's Hawaii, South America, Bermuda. And then the last 2, Paris, Rome. Again, with a travel theme, and then this one's an animal theme, farm animals and maybe some zoo animals. These are beautiful. Well, I'm excited. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your sending this to me, and I will be back with another video once I use these in a journal. I'm thinking about where I can use these, and I'm blown away with all of this. It's really, really pretty. Thank you so very much. I am going to be doing another Paris-themed dressmaker journal, so I think these would be perfect for that. Thanks again. Looking forward to seeing you all. Thank you for watching. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.